Hello everyone. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games here in this title of this one in this chess here is Burns Cup 2025. So it means today is round number 1 from this one. So it means round number 1 or maybe without long games within round robins. So it means within time clocks within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this one in this chess clocks here from this one. So it means Kearns Cup 2025 located in this one in United States in America. So it means these are locations here from this one. In today's round number 1 and also have between from this international master in USA is Alice Lee versus the grandmaster in Georgia is Nino Batshashvili from this one. So it means determinations here from this one. So in this today's round number 1 here from this one in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this Kearns Cup round number 1. So white plays Alice is d4, d5 Nino, c4, e6 is called Queen's Gambit decline. So it means Queen's Gambit. So it means these are the main line is used by c6 is called slap defense here from this one. So it means slap defense from this one. So it means Nino moves by e6 by Queen's Gambit decline and also knight f3, knight f6 and also knight c3 here. So it means these are determinations here from this one. So it means the black pieces upcoming by captured by Queen's Gambit accepted here from this one. So it means determination. So it means without tempos attacks by pawns here from this one. And also bishop to e7 by Nino. So it means upcoming by castling king side by here, by right side here from this one. And also bishop to f4, c5. So it means without doubles or double by pawns or maybe white doubles and black doubles pawn here from this one. So it means doubles. And also capture this pawn, bishop takes captured, and also e3 without develops by pawns or bishops here from this one. And also knight c6 by Nino, bishop e2 by Alice with idea to castling by Alice Lee here from this one. So it means without develops here from this one and capture this pawn, queen takes accepted, and knight takes queen. So it means novelty by Nino. So these are the old main line here. Good novelty is simple king takes captured. So it means king takes captured here from this one. So the novelty, knight takes queen by Nino. So it means these are the novelty here from this one. Bishop takes captured. So it means with idea to left side by queen side or right side by king side here from this one. Bishop takes c4, bishop takes captured without threatening by knights or maybe without here by pin by check. So it means without threatening by check or without blocking here by defense by knights here or controls here from this one. And also rook c1 by here without develops by knights or without defense by protects by knights here from this one. Knight e4 without controls or entering by knights or jumping entering knights here with idea to capture this knight or without bishop. These are the doubles by here without targets by bishop or knights here from this one. So it means without tempos attacks by knights here from this one. And also bishop e5 without defense by knights or develops here. And also knight c6 without threats by bishop or maybe without threats tempos attacks by bishop. So it means without targets or danger by bishops here from this one. So it means Alice moved by bishop b5 without cannot captured by knights or bishops here or maybe without bishop without pin by check. So it means these are the controls or develops here from this one. I'm sorry, I got something my nose or nostrils. I got something by suffering by sneezing. I don't know what nose from this one. So let's go. So it means let's continue. This one is bishop to b5 and Bishop d7 without defense or protects by knights with idea to by castling queenside or castling kingside without left or right here from this one. And also castling kingside by Alice Lee, knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, bishop takes captured, and rook takes captured without captured here without controls or develops here from this one. King e7, oh, without King's Indian by Nino. So it means without King's Indian. So it means why don't we accept by castling kingside? So it means these are develops here, develops by castling or castle or maybe castling by this one. So it means so Nino moves by King e7 by King's Indian. So it means never by castling kingside or never by castling queenside here from this one. And also bishop takes knight, bishop takes captured, and also knight e5 without targets tempos attacks by bishop or threatening by bishops here from this one. And also rook hc8 without develops by bishop, and rook fc1 without battery by Alice Lee here from this one. King f6 without tempos attacks by knights or without move by kings. Kings must be active here from this one. Knight takes bishop and rook takes captured with idea to rook takes accepted without rook to rook here from this one. And rook takes captured, pawn takes rook here without pawn takes rook, and also rook takes captured, rook d8 without good move by Nino with idea to move by here rook to d1 without threatening by mating net. So it means without dangers from whites here from this one. So how do you do if you controls by move by rook d1 without threatening by mating net? So it means losing by Alice Lee here from this one. So it means we need more careful here from this one. So Alice with idea to Alice to without move by Alice is rook to c1 without no more by rook to d1 by black here from this one. So it means without controls or develops here from this one. And rook d2 by Nino with idea to threatening by targets by tempos attacks by pawns or with idea to targets attacks from this one. And also rook b1 without develops by pawns, and also g5 by Nino, g4 without move by king g2 or king must be active here from this one. So with idea to move by king to g2 or without kings must be active from this one. And also king e5, king must be active by Nino, and king g2. So it means without good precise move by Alice Lee. So it means without good decisions here from this one. And also f5 without threatening by pawns or maybe without targets here from this one. And also h3 without develops by here or without develops by pawns or protects by pawns here, and also king e4. So it means king e4 is bad move by Nino. So it means that's not one of this computer engine from move by king by Nino. So the best moves there is continue is push to f4 with the idea to captured by pawn. So if you idea to capture this pawn, so it means g takes f4. So it means with idea 2 controls here from this one. So it means these are slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So it means so back there this one is king e4 by Nino here from this one, and also a4 good move by Alice Lee or maybe without move by here forward to pawns here from this one. And also f4 good precise good move by Nino. So it means with idea 2 captured, and also b4. So it means without b4 or maybe without threats, or maybe without push by f3 check. So it means without check or targets here from this one. So it means target. So b4 by Alice Lee and e5 by Nino. a5 another good move by Alice Lee. So it means good decision precise moves here from this one. a6 by Nino, and also b5 without the idea to captured, capture this pawn and rook b4 check. So it means example. So it means, for example, so in idea, why don't we rook takes 3 pawns here from this one, with idea to controls here from this one, and it's also f3 check. So it means f3 check here, and decided is king to g3 with idea to determinations or good examples here from this one. So back there, this one is rook b4 check and king d5, rook takes capture check, good move by Alice Lee, and king d6, king f3 with idea to king must be active by here. King e6 by Nino, a6 without push, or maybe without push, or coming by queens by Alice Lee here from this one. And rook d3 check, and also king g2, rook a3 without tempos attacks by pawns, and rook b5 check, good move by Alice here from this one. King d5, rook f6 without rook f6 here from this one, and king e4 without king must be active, rook d6, and rook to a1 without movement here from this one, and also rook f6 without repeating, and also rook a2 without repeating, and g5 by Alice Lee. So it means without controls or develops here by pawns. King d5, h4, e4. So it means without e4, or with idea to move by check, or with idea to check here from this one. So it means without check. And also rook f5 check, king d6, rook takes captured, and king e5. So if you capture this one, why don't we rook takes captured pawn without determinations, and also rook takes captured? So it means 3 whites and one pawn by blacks here from this one. So back there, this one is king e5 by Nino here without tempos attacks by rooks, and also rook h6 with the idea to check, or maybe targets by tempos attacks by pawns, or attacking by pawns here from this one. Rook takes captured, and also king f5, rook h6 without develops, or rook to rook, and avoided by Nino, rook a2 by Nino here from this one. Rook h8 without move by rook to f8 without check, or determinations without check here from this one, and also e3 without sacrifice by Nino, and rook f8 check, king g4, g6 another good move by Alice, or without move forward by here by g7, or promotes by g8 queen from this one. So it means without g8 queen. And also rook a7 without stopping by g7 by pawns by this one. Pawn takes captured, rook g7 without tempos attacks by pawns, and rook f3, king takes captured, and also rook g3 without controls or develops here from this one, or without develops by pawns here. King h5 with idea to tempos attacks by pawns, or rook takes captured. So it means without rook takes captured here from this one. King f3, and also king h6, king f4, rook g8, and also g7 without move here by pawns by Alice here, and also king h7 by Nino, and also king f5, rook b8 by Nino without move by check, or rook to b5 check, or without check. So it means without controls tempos here from this one. And also g8 queen check, and also rook takes captured queen, rook takes captured, king takes captured, and also last shot king e6, or maybe with idea here from this one. So it means give up by Grandmaster Nino from Georgia. So why she resigns? Because if you move by decided, this one is king f8 only move, and also king to f5 with the idea to move by push or promotes queen. So it means lose from blacks here from this one. So it means wins for white. So it means the score from this one currency in Alice Lee is 93.9, and the score from this black pieces by Nino Batshashvili from Georgia is 86.6. So the winner from this round number 1, the Kearns Cup 2025, is International Master in USA Alice Lee. Congratulations here from this one. So I will search from this analyze by Kearns Cup 2025. So I will search from this analyze of this game soon. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess updates. Have a good day. Bye bye.